Alright guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your Gmail. So, basically, you want to go in the top corner and you want to go in settings. You want to go and add account. You want to, oh sorry, I'm eating. So you want to click on Google. And then you, I'm just going to skip that. Okay, so tracking info. Okay, so now you want to do create a new account. So I'm gonna have my peanut butter. I'm gonna have. Yeah, I'm probably not. This video is probably gonna fail, but that's okay because it's fine. Plastic. I was thinking it up in the trash. Just for some random reason, if you ever wanted me to create you a Gmail, all you gotta do is just ask me, cause yeah, I'll let you guys add me on like all my Instagrams. All my social medias. So, for social media, I'm also doing a face reveal on Instagram because that's my life for posting pictures. So let's show you my stuff, my social medias, and then you guys can add me. It will also be in my bio. Sorry if this video is really crappy. Come on. Thank you, Mark. Oh my god, oh my god, it's taking too long. Okay, so that's my Snapchat. And then I have Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. But I'll show you my Facebook after. Okay, so this is my Instagram. You guys can add me. I'm already following 4 people. I must seem like a loser. Who just followed me? Probably one of those, You know what? Okay. So, that's my Instagram. I also have Facebook and stuff, but I will be getting Twitter soon, and I won't show you my Facebook currently because I'm busy. So I will see you in my next video, aka next month, because I'm boring and I don't know what videos to make because none of you suggest or anything. So I will be doing a face reveal on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on that. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye, guys.